Hello everyone, my name is Dhyani Dama. I and my groupmates Ved and Dakshita are going to tell you about the majestic colors of Indian music. Let's go! IB Elements Global Context, Personal and Cultural Expression, Key Concepts, Communication and Culture, Related Concept, Expression. Content: the beginning, the origin of Indian music, culture and tradition of Indian music, instruments, songs and singers, and popular genre. Origin of Indian music.
The roots of Indian classical music can be traced back nearly 2000 years to its origin in the Vedic hymns. The practice dates back at least 3000 years. The very heart of Indian music is the raga, which refers to the melody and tal. The seven swaras of music, Sare, Gama, Padhani, represent different scriptural deities: Sa, Agni; Re, Brahma; Ga, Saraswati; Ma, Shiva; Pa, Vishnu; Dha, Ganesha; and Ni, Surya. Indian classical music is a rich tradition that originated in South Asia. Its origins date back to sacred Vedic scriptures over 6000 years ago. The first ever sound is Nad Brahma, Brahma as sound, which pervades the entire universe. It is the purest song in the whole universe. It is said that sage Narada introduced the art of music to the earth from heaven.
Cultural and tradition of Indian music.
What many people refer to as Indian music is the classical music of the north of the Indian subcontinental. Carnatic Indian music is older and represents the Hindu tradition. Indian dance and music have played a remarkable role in the unification. Culture in India, although diverse and varied, still binds the country together in some form of common identification.
Music has always been an important part of Indian life. The range of musical phenomenon in India extends from simple melodies to what is one of the most well-developed systems of classical music in the world. The two main traditions of Indian classical music are Carnatic music, which is practiced predominantly in the peninsular southern regions, and Hindustani music, which is found in the northern, eastern and central regions.
Because of the diversity in religions and traditions in India, there are lots of different types of music. Indian music consists of folk, classical and pop music among others. Classical music is characterized by microtunes or shruti, notes or swara, ornamentations or alankar, melodies improvised from raga and rhythmic patterns used in percussion or tala. Indian instruments. The different types of musical instruments are sitar, one of the most popular string instruments in India. Sarod. Sarod is another popular stringed instrument. Its body is carved from a single piece of well-seasoned teak wood and the belly covered with goat skin. Sarangi. The name of this instrument derives from Sarangi, means 100 colors. It has 4 main playing strings and about a dozen sympathetic strings. Esraj. Esraj is a combination of sarantikini and sitar. The base of the instrument is like a saranga, while the neck and strings are like a sitar. Tanpura. Tanpura is known for its rich sound. There are 3 main styles: the Miraj, the Tanjore and the small instrumental version, sometimes called Tanpura. Santoor. Santoor is a North Indian instrument originating from Kashmir. It has more than 100 strings that run across a hollow rectangular box. Jaltarang. This instrument is a set of china bowls that are filled with water. Each bowl is struck with a light wooden mallet to cause it to ring. Tabla. Tabla is a pair of drums. It consists of a small right hand drum called dayan and a larger middle one called bayan. Pakhwaj. Pakhwaj is essentially a North Indian version of mridangam and is most common North Indian instrument. Mridangam. Mridangam bears a superficial resemblance to Pakhwaj, but there are major differences in the construction and technique. Dholak. Dholak is a very popular folk drum in the North India. It is a barrel shaped with a simple membrane on the right hand side. Pung. Pung is a long body drum with both heads covered in skin and plays an important role in Manipuri dancing. Flute. Flute is found in every part of India, carved from bamboo, and it is made in every possible size. Shehnai. Shehnai is a double-reeded wind instrument with a winding tube towards the lower end. Harmonium. Harmonium is a musical instrument which is a free reed organ that generates sound as flows past a vibrating piece of thin metal in a frame. It is the base of all the instruments in India. Songs and singers of India. India has got one of the oldest musical traditions and heritages in the world. Some of the famous singers of India are Arjit Singh, Sonu Nigam, Neha Kakkar, Shreya Ghosal, Suniti Chauhan. These singers are mainly known for their presence in Bollywood. Some of the songs sung by these famous singers are Ve Mahi, Abhi Mujh Mein Kahin, The Hookup Song, etc. Some of the old singers that are the singers of my parents and grandparents' generations are Asha Bhosle and Mohammad Rafi. Some of the famous songs of the 19th and 20th centuries are Gazab Ka Hai Din, Jage Jage, etc. A couple of Indian classical singers are Kaushiki Chakrabarti and Ustad Rashid Khan. Popular genres in India.
India had a diverse culture of music. It has many different genres, but they can mainly be classified in Indian classical music, the folk music, popular music. Indian classical music. The two main traditions of Indian classical music are Carnatic music, which is found predominantly in the peninsular region, and Hindustani music, which is found in the northern, eastern and central region. The folk music is diverse because of India's vast culture diversity. It has many forms including Ravindra Sangeet, Bihu of Assam, Bhangra, Lavani, Dandiya and Rajasthani. Popular music. These include filmy, Indian pop, dance music, rock and metal music and Indian hip hop.
An example of all of these genres together is the song Ghumar. It includes folk music, classical music, as well as it is a popular song as well.
The music of India can be classified more into Bollywood. Second is Raga. Third is Bhajan, Thumri. The fifth is Indian pop.
Newfound knowledge.
Vedic chant is the religious chant of India, the expression of hymns from the Vedas, the ancient scriptures of Hinduism. Indian classical music has been passed down from generation to generation for more than 3000 years. The earliest collection or Samhita of Vedic texts is the Rig Veda, containing about 1000 hymns.
One more fact that I found is that there are over 300 ragas in Indian classical music. I was shocked when I learned that, or when I came to know about that, because I myself play Indian classical music and I don't even know 0.1% of those ragas. Now we would like to say a
thank you, thank you, thank you.